Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. So, today in this video, we are going to study Social Studies, Chapter 1, Globes and Maps, Part 2. In Part 1, we have already studied about globe, maps, and language of a map. In Part 2, we are going to study about atlas, directions, and scale. So now let us see what is atlas. A book of maps or book of maps is called an atlas. It contains a large variety of maps such as physical map which shows physical regions like mountains, rivers, etc. The second is political map. It shows the borders of different countries and states. And the third one is road map. It shows the network of roads in cities or a country. We also use other maps like those that depict the network of railways and airways. In this picture, we can see a book of maps. This is a picture of physical map which shows physical regions like mountains, rivers, etc. We can understand this map with the help of index. This map is known as political map. It shows borders of different countries and states. This is political map of India. Road map. It shows the network of roads in cities or a country. This is a map of Indian National Highway. Now, let's move towards directions. Directions are an important part of map reading. There are four major directions. As we all know, those four are north, south, east, and west. Maps are drawn in such a way that north is always on the top, south at bottom, east on the right, and west on the left side. These are the four main directions. So students, in this picture we can see north is always at the top. North is always at the top and south at the bottom. South is always at the bottom. The east is on the right hand side and the west is on left hand side. Subdirections. There are some directions that lie between two major directions. The first one is northeast lies between the north and the east. Northwest lies between the north and the west. Southwest lies between the south and the west. And southeast lies between the south and the east. In this picture, we can see that northwest lies between the north and west. Southwest lies between west and south. Southeast lies between south and east. And northeast lies between north and east. These are known as subdirections. The next point which we have is scale. The ratio between the distance of any two places on the ground and the distance of the same two places on the map is known as the scale. We cannot show the actual size of the earth on a map. Hence, we use scales in a map. Maps are drawn according to a scale. In this picture, we can see 1 centimeter on map is equal to 1 kilometer on Earth. So students, today's homework is you have to mark the following on an outline map of India. First, you have to mark the capital of India, and second, you have to mark is the capital of your state, which is Maharashtra. The capital of India is Delhi. So you have to mark this on a map, or you can draw also if you can draw. Thank you.